Feeling like you're drowning in a sea of open tabs, sticky notes, and missed calls? Juggling your CRM and phone system is a recipe for wasted time and lost opportunities. But fear not. Here's the key to unlocking sales efficiency. Introducing KrispCall and Keap integration. Let's see how these two integrate. First things first, log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Within Settings, find App Settings and click on Integrations. In the list of integrations, look for Keap. Once you spot it, click Connect. If you're not already logged into Keap, a login screen will appear. Enter your credentials and hop in. Keap will ask for your permission to connect with KrispCall. Click Allow to grant access. Voila, your integration is successful. Now, take a moment to customize your settings. You can choose which numbers in your KrispCall workspace you want to connect with Keap. Now, here's the beauty of it all. Every call you make or receive automatically logs in to Keap with details for a complete history. New contacts you encounter instantly sync as leads, keeping your CRM sparkling clean. Plus, making calls is easy. Just use the KrispCall dialer directly within Keap, no more switching between platforms. But it doesn't stop there. Notes you capture during calls in KrispCall magically appear in Keap, along with any tags you assign. So stop wasting time and close more deals with the KrispCall and Keap integration. It's the ultimate power couple for streamlined sales and communication. Contact our chat support for more information.